I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey guys, welcome to my latest 4 Kelvin walking tour video. Today, I'm taking you on a stroll along the sandy shores of Jericoacoara Beach, Brazil. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more amazing travel content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Now let's dive into this beautiful beach destination. Jericoacoara Beach is a hidden gem situated in the northern coast of Brazil. It is a secluded and peaceful spot, surrounded by sand dunes and crystal clear waters. This beach is perfect for a relaxing getaway, and the best way to explore it is on foot. As we start our walk, you can see how the sun is shining bright and warm. The white sandy beach is clean and stretches out for miles in either direction. The waves are calm and inviting, so let's dip our toes into the water and feel the warm tropical breeze. As we walk further down the beach,
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
you'll notice the palm trees swaying in the wind, and the view of the sea is just breathtaking. The water is turquoise and crystal clear, and you can see small fish swimming around your feet. It's truly a paradise. This beach is not only beautiful but also rich in culture and history. I hope this walking tour has given you a glimpse of what this beautiful destination has to offer. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll be happy to chat with you.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!